What the fuck?
What?
Huh? Did you just activate something?
One enemy remaining.
Nice.
Good shit.
Oh, Skylar, that was almost bad.
That was almost real bad. That was
He
almost.
said doo-doo. He put on his headphones, and then he just starts getting shot at, and you can see him like struggle to get his gun. I'm gonna be honest, when there's not a healer on the team, I feel like I play smarter.
I'm following you really quietly though.
I'm gonna go backstab him.
Oh. I need help on B, probably.
My sentry's facing the wrong way, but it's gonna be okay. Nice.
Spike down B.
Thank you, Skylar. You're a
No problem.
lifesaver. She had a green screen vent.
Do I have to?
Last round in
The economy.
I can buy it. It's the last round. I can buy it.
By what?
Anything else?
Why did you do that, Sky? That's like was planted.
I hear one up here.
Nice.
No!
I'll bait for you. I'll bait for you.
She's at the back. She's at the back.
last player standing.
I
To
baited.
the left. Yeah, over there.
I baited. It was a copter play. I am so smart.
I'm sorry, just
Get
watching
it.
Steve
Come on.
become himself into
Yeah!
I am so smart. And she fell for it.
Oh! Guess I'll buy
She
you.
fell for it. It was a strategical play. Sometimes you gotta make sacrifices.
My money is dwindling
Sometimes you
because I buy
gotta.
for you.
Sometimes you gotta get the dubski. You gotta sacrifice a little bit of your own dubski. You know. You sometimes it's like.
Sometimes
the
like the dubski
the
says
dubs
all
yeah so,
secretly.
like the dubski is in the eye of the bait res, you know.
Guys, Skylar, are you okay?
It's
are
in
you
the
okay?
eye of the dubski
It's
is
on
in
the eye of the dubski.
the eye of the dubski.
Last player standing.
Where was the sage? Oh, right there.
Oh no.
10 seconds left.
You pulled out all the stops. You pulled out all the stops.
He pulled out everything and still fucked up.
I messed up so many things. just, like,
So many
standing
things went wrong there.
Correct.
We got the recon, we got the two duelists, we got the smokes, and then we got the heals.
Okay, guys, we got this.
Yeah.
Child.
Easy game.
Time.
Like, I'll decide.
I'm
when-
15, but I still feel like I'm gonna go to prison talking to this person.
I want to mute them already. My ears are starting to ring. Headshot. Knife.
Knife! Do it!
Oh my goodness!
Oh my god!
They're going up top as well.
Oh!
Last enemy remaining.
Could use some heals.
Jesus Christ!
He forced you to kill him. Literally.
What the fuck? I thought you fell off the map.
That's me when I have no clothes on.
Bless you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
So, Project! From the fire! Uh-oh.
Reina's gonna be coming from
Last
behind.
player standing. Spike down B.
Try your best.
Oh my god!
Try your best.
4:30.
Just ADS.
Oh damn. Nice.
Nate, you should ult somewhere funky and see what
I was
happens.
supposed to stay until tomorrow, but they were like,
Never
"Why?"
mind, you have a spike, don't do
Oh my god!
Oh my gosh.
Oh, run! I'm running away!
Evolve!
Why?
Oh my god!
Ski-Ball freaking go across the zip line because he got scared, and then the two other people